Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use the find and replace option on your Google Docs mobile application. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video.
So how to use the find and replace option on the Google Docs mobile, I'm just going to show in this video. So first of all, choose a document that you want to find and replace here. So for an example, I just choose this name letter document. So here I just want to edit the job title or location, whatever. So click on this three dot option. I'm just going to change to print layout so you can just view this. And here just click on this three dot, you will see find and replace option. So here I just want to find this called a job, and I just want to, you can see now, just click on the search option, which actually you can see the highlighter which shows the where the options are here. So you can just move this one by one and you can just see. After clicking this, you will see option called replace or replace all. Click on this replace. So in down you will see option to replace. So here I just going to change the name of the job as a creator, like that. So if you want to replace a single word, you can just move this and click on the replace, which actually replaced it. If you want to replace everything, click on this and click on replace all, and you will see option down called replace all. Click this, which actually replace everything. So this is how you just use the find and replace option on your Google Docs mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable Google Docs content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.